joy, talk of cheer, trill of names, all hearts here, growing on sale, that's our song. Peace is the beat we all belong. Chakra on, tin attack, be a airborne, don't you forget. Christmas carols bring you joy, under the tree, lots of toys.
Octodini gone deedin', sleeping on the bowhead. Just ugly in the night, going absolutely nowhere. No reindeer coming, your love in your poker. Any spare change, walk on is Stoker.
League time, nice and clean, not everyone's safe, not everyone's free. Sit chill, unreal, Douglas folks. Watch tea queen out, what a dose. Wrapping up gifts, singing our songs, but out there the world's still getting it wrong. No shit going on, that's what we say. Cookie folks getting in our way. Not everyone here is feeling the flow. Sing Christmas, my past looks like a show. Hatred and violence, shocking the world. Don't have no cheer, no Christmas here. Politics and try to impress white people, sleep on the streets homeless. Warmth and family, the West is blessed. Forgotten world in a state of stress.
State of distress. State of distress, the media don't care, it's all suppressed. Serious topic that needs to be addressed.
Ashes fall like snow, with scarlet slush in the streets below. Our memories bar more pain, but we ignore it, sound asleep, insane.
Know they're gonna dig, peace in the air. Remember the people who ain't really there. Couldn't be scrawled, no hate in the plan. Cause peace is for every woman and man. Peace is for every woman and man. Peace is for every woman and man. Know they're gonna dig, spread the light. Let's have shake on and up tonight. Let's change the world, yeah, hand in hand. Cause peace is for every man.
Pick up the joy that sold in Sax's crack. Traffic on streets of Ballybrack. Cardi running Christmas hats, but I don't see Santa's gaff in the map. Open is full of Christmas crap. Holy Spirit is running laps. People dying on the streets at night. Don't wanna hear it, had enough of that. It's a free for all, on a spree in the shopper. Looking for a break like we missing the comma. Praying at church but forgetting our fodder. We never had to use big ground as an